Thank you for purchasing LoanFy and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, we recommend adjusting the zoom level on each sheet so it fits your screen resolution comfortably. Once you set the zoom and save the file, it will remain like that the next time you open it. This tutorial is recorded using the Microsoft Excel version of LoanFy. If you're using the Google Sheets version, it works exactly the same way. The only difference is that Google Sheets does not include the clickable navigation buttons, but all calculations, logic, and features remain identical. In this video, I'll show you how to use LoanFy with a real example, from setting up your loan to tracking payments and understanding the dashboard. Let's start in the loan input sheet. This is where you enter all the main loan variables. For this example, we'll enter a loan amount of 12,000 euros, an annual interest rate of 12%, a loan period of 2 years, 12 payments per year, and a start date in June 23rd, 2026. As soon as these values are entered, LoanFy automatically generates the full payment schedule and loan summary. Now let's add extra payments. First, the fixed extra payment. This is a recurring extra amount that is added to every single payment. In this example, we'll enter 200 euros. This option is useful if you have a stable monthly income and want to consistently pay a little more every month to reduce interest over time. You'll notice that this amount is automatically applied to all months in the payment table. Next, we have manual extra payments. This option is used for one-time extra payments applied only to specific months. For example, if you receive a bonus, extra income, or any irregular payment in a particular month, you can add it only to that month. Here, we'll add a manual extra payment of 1,200 euros in January. These manual extras do not repeat automatically and only affect the selected months. Every time you add or change an extra payment, LoanFy recalculates everything automatically. In the loan summary, you can instantly see the reduction in the number of payments, the difference between scheduled and actual interest, and the total amount of money saved thanks to extra payments. As you make payments in real life, you can track them using the status column. Once a payment is completed, mark it as done. LoanFy uses this information to update your progress in real time. This directly affects the already paid percentage and keeps your tracking accurate. Now let's move to the dashboard, where all insights are visualized. The interest battle chart compares the scheduled loan versus the actual loan with extra payments. It shows how much interest you would pay without extras and how much you actually pay when using extra payments. The Road to Debt Free chart shows how your loan balance decreases over time. Extra payments shorten the timeline and highlight how many months you save. Finally, the interest evolution chart shows how interest changes year by year. As the loan balance decreases faster, interest becomes a smaller portion of each payment, while principal increases. That's how LoanFy works. You enter your loan details, add fixed or manual extra payments, track payments as completed, and use the dashboard to clearly understand your progress and savings. Thank you again for choosing LoanFy. I hope this template helps you gain clarity, control, and confidence in managing your loan.